Welcome back, Sammy Morgan's Vlogs. We're going to Alamogordo. We're gonna find a watering hole.
Skinny dip.
Yeah, we're gonna go skinny dipping today. Woo! Alright, Squidor. This is for you. Alright? Ready? did you like that? So we made it past Alamogordo, and we're going down this little trail right here to find this waterfall. We're in the Lincoln National Forest right now. It's actually pretty nice. You just drive out towards Alamogordo and then go towards Cloudcroft, and then there's like this kind of stop on the side of the road, and this trail kind of leads down to a waterfall.
I felt it down there. I'm just like,
yeah.
That's like ice block cold.
Well, maybe I shouldn't jump in.
One, two, three.
Ready?
Yeah, hold on, let me get down a little bit more.
Nana!
I was doing throw right there. Underhand.
I got you.
Good job. Covering.
I did play basketball for 13 years and not have hands. Got him! Yeah!
You do it. Pull him to attention and then do like front lean rest or whatever. Only army people would think that. Yeah, you didn't even put your hands out. What are you doing? Come on, count one. You gotta squat down and then. You gotta look like a little gremlin or something. You know, like a yeah.
I feel like a model.
So how different from here?
What do you think? There's 45 degrees?
Yeah, 40, probably 45.
So it is about what, 5 feet?
Yeah.
About 5
Probably
feet?
about 5 feet. I don't know how that is.
Yeah, probably like 5'5". There he goes.
There we go.
It's not that bad.
And then he just slips in.
Yeah, that's what's gonna happen.
Just go. Make sure you don't breathe in when you.
Don't breathe in. 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. How is it?
It'll take your breath.
You should do a belly flop.
Definitely not.
Damn, that got me really wet.
Yeah, I'll do a back, but not a belly.
Where am I?
Turn it on.
Yeah, I should have gone that way. Oh man. Yeah. Hello. I made it out. See my clothes? I just kind of took my own trail there. We're lost. 5 minutes in. How you feeling? Karma's a bitch. Split was throwing rocks at me or around me because I'm scared of that when I'm hiking. Avalanche, and then he slips and falls. So
I don't remember this.
I think this is where we go. It's fine. We'll figure it out. I think this is where we want to go.
Turn it on.
Right there would be where, you know, two lovers are sharing a nice romantic time together. And then you got the drop down there where all the peasants stay. Well, we found our second waterfall. It's kind of cool. It's too shallow to really like jump in though. It's only like maybe like a couple feet, if anything. And there's nowhere to really jump into anyways, because everything's like around is like way too high.
2 more can go.
Yep. Yeah? If you jump, do you think you could survive? No. No. No, I don't think you can make it either. It's an amazing view out here. It's a great spot. Found a bunch of watering holes and stuff like that. The water's pretty cold, but it's nice. And then the view is just amazing. Like, this is a huge canyon. From right here where I am, you can kind of see all the white sands out there. Like, you kind of see a strip and then of like white. That's white sands. It's really awesome. And I got a link in the description for that video if you want to go check it out. This guy.
I'm enjoying the view.
Yeah.
We got rock up there getting ready to fall.